Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the Beats Flex have enough charge and aren't actively paired. Power them off by holding the power button until the LED is off. This prevents accidental signals. Once done, disable Bluetooth on nearby phones or laptops so the headphones won't reconnect mid-reset. Prepare a small tool for precise presses. You're doing this because a clean power cycle and isolation guarantee the reset registers with the headset's internal firmware, rather than a temporary radio state. You now perform the actual reset. Press and hold the power button together with the volume down button for roughly 10 seconds. Keep holding until you see the LED flash and hear a chime. Those signals confirm the factory reset command reached the hardware. When the lights and tone occur, release both buttons immediately. Then, make sure to forget the Beats Flex entry in your device Bluetooth list before repairing. This step clears previous pairings so you get a fresh connection. Finally, repair the headset. Put the Beats Flex into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED pulses, then select it from your device's Bluetooth list. You'll hear a pairing tone when connected. This confirms settings saved. If you don't get a pulse or pairing tone, make sure the battery is charged and repeat the reset, this time holding the buttons up to 15 seconds. If problems persist, try pairing with a different phone. This isolates whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.